morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do the bookwork of this chapter 6, chapter 3, more on Windows 7. I think from my part, I have cleared you all the theory part and the practical part of this chapter, and I hope so that you all have done the theory and the practical part of this chapter 3, more on Windows 7. Today, I am going to teach you the bookwork of this chapter, and I will tell you also the sum. I will also tell you the question answers of this chapter, and please do the please complete these question answers and the bookwork in your book and the question answer in your notebook. I will send the PDF of this chapter. More on Windows 7. In this chapter, I have told you about the more features of the Windows 7, that how you can use these features, how you can arrange your windows, how you can copy the data from the CD to PC and from PC to your CD, and how you can use these more features to make your to make your practical more easy. So we have learned about this feature like jump list, arrow peak, window side by side, window media player, window ripping, copying. We have discussed all these features in this chapter. So today I am going to teach you the filling the blanks. I will tell you filling the blanks, true false MCQs, application based question of this chapter, and you have to do this work in your book and question answer in your notebook. So firstly we will do the filling the blanks. First filling the blank is Microsoft Windows Media Player is used to run and dash digital media files on a computer. कि विंडो मीडिया प्लेयर का क्या काम है आपके कंप्यूटर पे? Why we use the window media player feature of the Windows 7? It is used to run and dash digital media files. Media files means your audio files and your video files. तो वो क्या करता है? Run भी करता है and you can organize it. The first answer it is run and dash, it will come, that is organize your digital media files on a computer. Clearly? Now next is ripping. We have done two features. We have read about the two features of the Windows 7, that is ripping and the burning. What do you mean by the ripping? That refers to dash songs from a CD to a computer. I have told you about the two features, what is ripping and what is burning. Ripping is when you are copying something from CD to computer, that is ripping, and from computer to CD, when you are copying something from your computer to CD, that is known as the burning. So here filling the blanks is ripping refers to, what do you mean by ripping? That is dash songs from a CD to computer. कि आप CD से computer में songs को क्या कर रहे होगे? You will be copying. So ripping refers to copying the songs from a CD to a computer. This is the second filling the blanks of this chapter. Next is dash is the latest version of the Windows. वैसे तो Windows के और भी latest version आ रहे हैं, but now we are using the Windows 7 in your book, and latest version में इसने option में क्या दिया है? That is the Windows 10. So here what will come, that the Windows 10 is the latest version of the Windows. Next is Windows Mobile Software empowers advanced devices that allows the user to dash and dash emails and browse the internet. विंडोज मोबाइल सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू, विंडोज मोबाइल जो सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसके थ्रू आप सारा दिन इंटरनेट को यूज करते हो, फॉर द होल डे यू आर यूजिंग द इंटरनेट, यू आर सेंडिंग योर मैसेजेस फ्रॉम हेयर टू अदर, फ्रॉम अ WhatsApp, when you are using the emails, you are sending and receiving the mails. So in to dash, in this filling the blanks, it will come send and receive. When you are using the Windows Mobile software, then you will send and receive your emails. Next is fifth is in dash folder you can store digital photos, image and graphic files. Where you can store your photos, images, graphic files, in where folder you can save it. अपनी जितने भी images हैं, we have done this we have read about this feature in our theory part, also in our practical part also, where you can save your images and photo. We can save our images and the photos in a picture folder. So these are the filling the blanks of this chapter. First we'll organize, second is copying, third is window 10, fourth is send and receive, and fifth is pictures. This was your filling the blanks. Now let's come to true and false. First is true and false. My first question is Windows 7 is not compatible with touch sensitive screen. No, I told you this is the feature of the Windows 7 that you can use the touch screen feature also, but you have to use the touch screen there in this. So when and it is saying that that is not compatible with touch sensitive screen, it means it will be false, because Windows 7 has a touch sensitive feature, touch sensitive screen feature also. Next is disk cleanup is used to remove unnecessary files from a computer hard disk. Yes, whatever was the what feature was the disk cleanup? That if you have downloaded many duplicate files and many unnecessary files you are having, if you will click on this disk cleanup, it will remove all the unnecessary and the duplicate files. You can use this feature in your mobiles also, disk cleanup features. In advanced mobiles, जो भी अब न्यू वर्जन के मोबाइल्स हैं सभी के अंदर ये फीचर्स है disk cleanup also. So it is saying that disk cleanup is used to remove the unnecessary files from a computer hard disk. Yes, its answer will be true. Next is third true and false is sound recorder facility is available in window media player folder. Why we use the window media player? We use the window media player to run and organize our media files, our audio files and our video files, but it doesn't use the sound recorder facility in this folder. इस folder में नहीं होती. There is a different folder in which there is that facility. So its answer will be false. Sound recorder facility is not available in the window media player. Fourth is Windows 7 allows the user to display the windows side by side. Yes, we have done this feature in our practical session, that if you have opened many windows and you want to open that window side by side, then you have to click on the taskbar, right click, and then you will click on the feature window side by side, and it will show all the windows side by side. You can move your picture here and then there. Yes, that feature will be that. Then its answer will be true. Now next fifth question is burning a CD and ripping a CD is the same thing? Tell me, is it same thing? No. Ripping and burning are the different thing. Ripping means from CD to computer and burning means from computer to CD. If you are copying something from computer to CD, then that is burning. Both are the different thing, both are opposite to each other, they not are the same. So burning and ripping are not the same thing. So its answer will be false. Next we will come to the application based question. First question is Sarita wants to record her voice. Sarita wants to record her voice into the computer. Which device will you suggest her to use to perform this operation? If he wants to record something, then what it will use? It will use, what we will use? whenever जब भी आप वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग करते हैं तो आप क्या यूज़ करते हैं? किसी से बात करने के लिए या कुछ रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए अपने मोबाइल में, पीसी में या मोबाइल्स के लैपटॉप्स में, देन वी यूज़ द माइक्रोफोन्स. इट यूज़ द माइक्रोफोन्स. Next is second is Kritika has made her computer project. Kritika has made her computer project and she has saved it on her computer. But now he has forgot the location that where he had saved it. Just her the best way to search her project. For example, आपने अपनी फाइल बनाई, आपने उसको सेव कर दिया, बट यू डिडंट सी द पाथ कि आपने उसको डेस्कटॉप पर सेव किया है किसी सी ड्राइव में यू हैव सेव्ड इट, देन हाउ यू विल फाइंड इट? easy and best method to find any folder and file in your mobile and in your PC. What is the best method? किसी भी वेबसाइट्स में, चलो जनरली आई विल टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ द वेबसाइट. इफ यू वांट टू सर्च समथिंग इन वन वेबसाइट, देन व्हाट विल यू यूज टू सर्च? यू विल यूज द सर्च बॉक्स. आप सर्च बॉक्स में जाते हैं एंड वहाँ पे टाइप करते हैं. इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली फाइंड दैट फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर इन योर मोबाइल्स एंड द पीसी. वेयर यू विल गेट दिस सर्च बॉक्स? You will click on this start. ऐसे you will go to the start button. Start पे क्लिक करते सबसे नीचे एक सर्च बॉक्स आ जाता है, where you will give the name of her project. It will find that project. अगर वही नहीं मिलता तो then click on see more results. और पे भी क्लिक करो और जो हिडन फाइल्स हैं उसमें से भी फाइंड आउट करके उस फाइल्स को शो कर सकता है. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट मेथड टू सर्च योर फाइल्स. So we have done filling the blanks, true and false, and application based questions. Now let's move to the MCQs question. First MCQs is to free up the disk space and help your computer to run faster use. कि आप अपने कंप्यूटर को ज़्यादा फास्टली रन करना चाहते हैं, उसकी प्रोसेसिंग को फास्ट करना चाहते हैं, देन व्हाट विल यू यूज? जो इसमें अननेसेसरी फाइल्स है, सपोज यू वांट टू सर्च समथिंग, तो वो अननेसेसरी फाइल्स में भी से भी तो उस डेटा को फाइंड आउट करेगा. देन इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट्स सर्चिंग टाइम लेस, देन व्हाट विल यू यूज? फर्स्टली you will clean up all the unnecessary and the duplicate files. And which features we can use to delete the unnecessary files? That is the disk cleanup feature. The first MCQ's answer is B, that is the disk cleanup. Next is the dash features allows you to turn the open window transparent and make the desktop screen visible. How you can do this feature? We will use this feature as a कि अगर आपने एक विंडो ओपन कर रखी है अपने डेस्कटॉप पर और आपको डेस्कटॉप पर कुछ फाइंड आउट करना है, या तो आपको उस विंडो को क्लोज करना पड़ेगा, या फर्स्टली यू हैव टू मिनिमाइज दिस, उसको विंडोज को मिनिमाइज करना पड़ेगा. एक एक करके सारी विंडोज मिनिमाइज करोगे, देन यू विल मूव टू योर डेस्कटॉप एंड देन यू विल सर्च योर thing that you want. But there is one feature, that is feature is known as the arrow pick. When you will click on this, when you will use this arrow pick, it will make your window transparent. जो भी open window है आपको ना तो उसको minimize करना है ना ही उसको close करना है. By using this feature, it will make your windows transparent, and transparent के पीछे आपका desktop पड़ा है, उसको transparent कर देगा and you can see your desktop also with this feature, arrow peak feature. Next is dash is the new feature in Windows 7 which takes you right to the document, pictures or website that you use frequently. ये कौन सा फीचर है जिसके थ्रू आप किसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट, पिक्चर्स या वेबसाइट पर डायरेक्टली जा सकते हो जो बहुत यूज करते हो? आप यू कैन मेक अ जंप लिस्ट. इन जंप लिस्ट it will store all the documents and all the pictures and all the websites which you are using frequently, and by clicking on this jump list it will show all the windows, all the files, yeah, all the documents which you are using frequently. By just clicking on that you can move to that document easily. So that feature is known as the jump list feature. This is all about the MCQ. So this is the bookwork of your this chapter, chapter 3, more on Windows 7, filling the blanks, true false, MCQs and application based. Please do this thing in your book. Now next is your question answer. We have already discussed this in my theory part, in my practical part, plus in my bookwork part. Within one line I will explain it and I will send the PDF of it, and you have to complete this work in your notebook. First question is, what do you mean by window media player? Why we use the window media player? To run the audio and the video files, we use the window media player. For this, so you can see the movies, you can listen the songs, all these things. Next is differentiate between ripping and copying. I have already told you what is ripping. That is from CD to computer if you want to copy something, and if you want to copy from computer to CD, then you will use the burning feature. Next is, what is the utility of the window media center? Why we use the window media center? If you want to see some TV program, you have missed some news on your TV and you want to run the TV programs on your laptop, then what feature you will use? We will use the window media player, window media center. Next, fourth and last question is, how will you display the two application windows side by side? I will not tell you, I will not explain it, because we have already this in my theory part and in my practical part, that how you can, I have also discussed this point in my bookwork also, that how you can open the windows side by side. So dear student, this was all about this chapter. Now this chapter is finished, and please do the bookwork in your book and question answer in your notebook, and send me the PDF of your work done in your notebook. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.